we're going to be going into literal summer. So these are all our latest releases. So this is M373, and if you are into anime style illustration, this is a really cute frog plate. And if any of you are going to be going on the beach or just love picking up some seashells, I think this would be a really cute plate. And what I love about these is that you can use the design as is, or you can do it layered. Okay, so this next one, I think this plate is called Kiss a Shark, which I thought was kind of cute. If you are a lover of sharks, jaws, just those kinds of things, then I think this plate would be for you. So this next round of plates, all of these here, this is actually a revamp of our Polynesia plates we came out with. So when you have a whole bunch of plates like that, you need somewhere to store it, right? So here is our summer design mini organizer. This is our newest design. I love the color. And this is our limited edition nail stamper and scraper for the summer season. And this is our new full size scraper cards, and it comes in a pack of 4. The last one are these really beautiful toppers. This is from our Ocean Crush collection. Look at that. These are flakies. So we have Deep Dive, Sea Glass, and Ripple. They're all sheer. Beautiful. A lot of really fun things to play with, all kinds of stuff. This definitely is probably one of my favorites today.